Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making a motif for a bookmark. So let's get started. So I'm going to take my yarn over here, slip knot, make chain of 23, okay. So I have 23 chains here. So I'm going to go in my second loop over here, pull through, make a slip knot like that, you can see. So going to chain 6, and 6. So we're going to come over here, 1 2 3, and the fourth loop I'll insert my hook, pull through, make a slip knot, then chain 3, chain 6 again, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Then I'm going to count 1 2 3, and in the fourth loop insert a hook that way, pull through again, make a slip knot that way, chain 6, then to count again, 1 2 3 4, fourth loop, pull through, chain 6 again, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, then 1 2 3 4, fourth loop, insert a hook there, pull through to make a slip knot that way, into chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, count again, 1 2 3 and 4, pull through, make a slip knot, chain 6 again, 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this is how it's supposed to look like the beginning. Then going to turn over and come over here, as you can see this loop here, this one here, insert a hook, pull through and going to make a slip knot right there, then going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we come over here, make a slip knot again, then going to chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. To come over here again, this loop here, insert, pull through, and to make a slip knot again that way, chain 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then again going to come over here, insert a hook, pull through, slip knot, going to make chain of 6 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so you're going to come here in the last stitch, insert a hook there, pull through, make a slip knot, I'm going to chain 1 again. So you see, this is how it's supposed to form. So from here now, what we're going to do is in these loops here which I have made, I'm going to single crochet all over. So I'm going to insert my hook, pull through that way, these 2 loops here, roll over, pull through 2 loops, follow the same sequence that way, see, there, and go insert our hook right there, pull through, a slip knot, chain 6, sorry, chain 1 and insert a hook right there, pull through that way, slip knot, chain 1, repeat, we insert a hook, make a slip knot, chain 1, wait, repeat the same, so we have our first row, the last string I have here, so insert, pull through, now come over here, going to insert a hook right here, slip knot, chain 1, and going to follow the same sequence as you can see. So you can see we have our rounds there, so we're going to follow the same sequence all over. So you go right there through, hook there, make a slip knot, to come over here, make a slip knot, and I have my last one here. I'm going to do the same thing. See, then going to insert a hook right there, pull through, make a slip knot that way. This chain I've made because it has no count, so you can make as many as you can. There, then right here, insert. This is how it's supposed to look like. How it looks like. So I'm going to take a pair of scissors, cut that loop there, right, you can see this is how it's going to look like at the end. So I have that hook of mine there, and I have this, and I have a similar one which I had made. how it looks like. So this is a motif of a crochet which you can use in your books. If you're reading, you can put in between your books, like for example, I have this big one. This big one I have here, I've made, as you can make long as you can, like this one. I'll show you. I have a book here. You can put it right over here, that way, this way or that way, and close your book. That's how it looks like. So I hope you like my video, and see you soon in my next video for another crochet. So see you soon. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.